Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in and linking your institution so full texts and library links appear. Start searching with specific phrases in quotes and add author, Smith, or a year to cut noise. Once you see a promising result, click the quote icon to view citation formats and immediately click the star to save it to My Library. These first actions set up your reference list. They make sure you capture correct metadata and avoid hunting for PDFs later. Once items are in My Library, label and sort them by project so your export stays organized. Use the Cite button to copy quick APA, MLA, or Chicago text, or export RIS/BibTX when importing into a citation manager. Make sure to inspect metadata like author order, page ranges, and DOI because automatic exports sometimes misformat names or miss a hyphen. If you plan collaborative work, export consistent formats for everyone to import into their reference managers. To finish, import the RIS or BibTX files into your chosen reference manager and generate a formatted bibliography in your document. Once generated, quickly scan the bibliography for missing fields, inconsistent capitalization, or wrong page numbers, and correct them in the manager so your citation style stays clean. If entries are incorrect, reopen the Scholar record, confirm the original PDF or publisher metadata, then manually edit the entry or re-download corrected citation data to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.